Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here, and with the last of my this size ply. Square, this one is 20 by 16 inch or 50 by 40 centimetres, and I've got some sort of dark grey black on it. This piece has a bit of a bow, not much, just a tiny little one, so I'm going to see what happens. This is the last piece I have this size, so I don't want a fingerprint though, thank you. And so it's going to be interesting. I have black and white, and there is some silicone in the cup, and I'm just going to straight pour onto there, and then I'm going to leave it, and I'm hoping that that bow will move the paints around for me. I can have a bit of a lazy time. So there we go, straight out she went, and as you can see the paints are moving quite well, and I've got a nice pattern there. I'm going to just torch it a little bit, I think. No doubt has some air bubbles. And I don't know what it will do. I can't believe that you're watching. I don't know if it's still moving. I thought it would. I can see it. Just the bow is only very small. So I might give it a little bit of a help. So very messy table. Oops, very messy table I have here. Oops, I don't want you to go over the edge. Alright. Give it a little help. I rather like those wavy bits that it's doing here. Didn't move like I thought it might, but not to worry. Okay, so I might just bring that down. I quite like that. Okay, it's doing it now. That is looking really good. But she says, where's the black? I think we can have some black. Alright. Just take the black up a little bit, and then down. I'm going to leave it at that, I think. I like it. I like that just the way it is. I don't like that though. Don't do that. Alright. So I'm going to wash my grubbies, and then I'm going to give it a little bit more of a torch and see if we get any cells. So I've made sure there's no air bubbles. I'm happy about no air bubbles. And I really like this. This is something totally different to what I have had in the past. But you want to just sit back up here. That should do the job. Come on. That's it. So I'm going to bring you down to have a look, and it's really cool. I just hope that the bow that is, as I said, in that wood does not move anymore. So, yep, that's exactly the way it'll go in the frame. And here we are. And going up. I really like this. Looks so different. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below the video under Show More, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come across and join us there. I really hope that you've liked this one. Please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.